What's up, everybody? If you've been following my channel, you already know how much I love sharing the art and craft of epoxy pouring with you. But guess what? It's time to take our relationship to the next level. Welcome to our brand new state-of-the-art epoxy epic workshop right here in sunny Las Vegas. This is the place where the magic happens, where your creative ideas come to life and you turn the ordinary into the extraordinary.
Definitely how hands-on Bronson allows us to be. He'd rather us be doing it than him. He just wants to teach us, and he loves when we just get in there, get our hands in.
And Bronson did a great job of not only explaining things, but also giving some insight into how to monetize this if you're looking to want to do this as a profession. So
come on down to Las Vegas, because we're more than just lights and casinos. We're also the home of your next great epoxy adventure.
I'd say just go for it.
There was so many things we did that made it really worth my time to come here.
Videos, like I said, are great, but coming here in person, you can't beat it. It just builds up your self-esteem.
So what are you waiting for? Sign up at learntoepoxy.com and get on down here.